Hey all, welcome to the Sai Farm. We found this little budgie today. So it's very friendly. You see, hello, hello, hello. And this was like just in the aviary. So just came out of the breeding box. So you can see it's the beak is still black. So I just like he's able to fly as well. So now I am out, so that's why I kept like this. So he's holding very friendly. Just keep him back in the aviary with his parents. Okay, we'll take you back, don't worry. So he was just came out of the breeding box and was on the ground. So I thought maybe he's not well, but yeah, he's eating and everything. So I think he's well. Let me open this. Yeah, he'll go over here. Keep it here. Hey, he went down there. See? At least he's able to fly. So I believe he'll be fine and no one is troubling him. He came out from one of these breeding cages and like was sitting over here. Okay, let's see how he goes. Yeah, if he's not able to keep well, then maybe move him again into a smaller cage for some time. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We'll take care of him now.